And today we are back with our art reveal.
The art reveal from our February sketchbox. Real quick, just going through the supplies again really fast. At the end of the video, Eli's going to do a series of short videos showing you a little bit of using the supplies. But again, this is the $40 deliver box. We had a Prismacolor Premier turquoise.
Yay!
Which color was this one?
That was the
black one?
Yeah.
We had a black brush pen. And then from Ecoline, we had a burnt sienna brush pen, a much bigger one.
Yeah, it's really fat.
It is really fat. And then we had the Derwent Inktense ink pencils.
That's a mouthful.
We had a checklist.
And our sketchbook that I guess we got free.
Our mixed media sketchbook, right? Which we really haven't used yet. So, without further ado, should we show them what we did?
Yeah.
Oh, one thing that we changed up, we've been really busy this week, so I apologize that we didn't have time to each do an art piece, so we decided it'd be fun to work on one together. So this is what we came up with together, and then we're thinking, now that we've used the supplies a little bit, we will practice some more and maybe do a second reveal when we get our next box, and just turn that into an ongoing thing. So here's the art piece that Eli and I did together over the last week or so in between our busy lives.
Show them!
So here it is.
And this is what we did. So.
And this was the sample art.
Which is what we were trying to make.
That's what we were trying to make. Sorry I don't have a side-by-side. Eli, what was your favorite thing to use?
The Derwent Inktense pencils. And why? Because I like color pencils, and also I like how it turns into a paint after.
Yeah, we were able to actually put them on with pencils and then put a little watercolor, use a little water and paintbrush and move it around just like watercolor paints. Huh.
Yeah. Which you guys probably will see at the end of the video.
Yeah, and one thing that we realized that we made a mistake on, we just used normal sketch paper. I do have some watercolor paper that we should have probably used when making this, and we probably will next time.
This probably would have been fine as well.
That might have, yeah, I don't know for sure. We've actually never used that type of paper, huh?
It's like cardboard paper.
Yeah. So, again, that's our February sketchbox art reveal. We'll show you one more time, and then we'll go into Eli kind of walking through the supplies a little bit at the end. Did we have fun?
Yeah.
Are we going to keep doing this for a while? And we're thinking that if the videos continue to get enough views and Eli and I continue to have enough fun, that we might subscribe to a second box. That way we can do like one every 2 weeks, maybe get one, do an art project over the next week, and then get the second box, do another art project. And then, so basically every 2 weeks we'd have a new box to open and do an art project with.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, you want to say goodbye for now?
Yeah, and so that was our reveal, so we will see you. Hey guys, Lila here, and today we're doing sketchbox again, but I don't really know how to use them yet, so I'm gonna try and figure it out. So it go on the tip for little lines, and then on the side for bigger ones, and then I think that's how this one works.
What's the name of that one?
Brush pen. So now I've got the Prismacolor brush now, so I'm just gonna open this up and do a little bit of doodling with this one. So, and since it's kind of like a one of these ones, like on the straight tip for little ones, and then on the side for bigger ones. So now I've got the orange brush pen. Same thing, straight for little, and then on the side for bigger. So that's this one, and now I'm gonna make a squiggly X on here. So now I have the Derwent ink pencils, and you can kind of color with them like you would with a color pencil. So let's take this off. So I'm going to take out the red one, and then when you kind of do some of this, trying to make sure it's clear. Okay, that's probably good. I'll put that back. Now, if you take some water or something that has water on it, it kind of turns into paint. And if you do this now, well, you have that kind of paint on your brush, so yeah. I made a star. And let's make one more. Yeah.
Can you mix the colors?
Yeah, you can also do that, but I need to get the, okay. Okay, so I'll do yellow first. So then, okay. Now what I'll do is I'll take this color and go it down. And then I'll take the red, once again, take them down here. Oh, that was the wrong way. And now finally I'll do the brown. So, yeah. Now what I'll do is now I put it back in the cup so I have water. And that's fine. Let's mix it into paint. Did it blend? Did it? I don't think that blended, or it did.
It did blend, yep.
Okay, this off. And thanks for watching our Sketchbox art reveal.